Welcome everyone. Today we're gonna see how to use Asana. Asana is a flexible project management tool used by teams to organize tasks, collaborate, and track progress. To use it, firstly go to asana.com and sign up. Use the free plan to explore core features like tasks, projects, or collaboration, and confirm your email and go through the short onboarding wizard. Now, in the left-hand menu, click the plus button to create a project. Choose blank project or use a template if you prefer pre-built structure. Give your project a name, choose a view, and go to project. Now, click Add a section to create project categories like phrases or stages. Name the section and press Enter. To add tasks, inside each section click Add a task. Name the task, then assign it to the team member by clicking the Assignee field, then set a due date. Click on a task to open the Details panel, add notes, instructions, or attach files in the Description field. Use the Comments section for collaboration, and click Subtasks within a task to break it down further. Assign subtasks individually if needed. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for me. Hello everyone.